Before you can decide on what activities, processes, frameworks that you include in a session, you first need to get really clear about purpose. And I'm not just talking about the purpose of the session overall. I'm talking about why are you choosing to use that particular activity, process, or framework. And for me, that means getting really clear about the mini objectives you need to achieve in the session in order to achieve the overall session purpose. So that's about thinking about things like, what do participants need to feel? What behaviours do you need them to demonstrate? What do they need to know? What context do they need to have? What do they need to discuss? And ultimately, what do they need to decide, either as individuals or as a group? And it's only once you're clear on those mini objectives that you can choose an activity or a framework or a process that will help you achieve those things along the way.